Hello viewers, I am Dr. Moiz Ahmed from Allama Iqbal, Open University, Pakistan. HTML has some limitations when it comes to page formatting and styling. This is quite understandable since HTML elements are supposed to be used to represent web page layouts. In this video, I will tell you how we can add some styles in our web page using what is known as CSS or cascading style sheets. CSS handles the look and feel part of a web page. Using CSS, we can control the color of the text, the style of fonts, the spacing between paragraphs, column size, background images, layout designs, colors, and so on. There are two important ways to insert CSS in a web page. These are internal CSS and external CSS. An internal style sheet may be used if one single page has a unique style. Internal styles are defined within the style element inside the head section of an HTML page. External style sheet allows link to an external CSS file. Here you can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. Each page must include a reference to the external style sheet file inside the link element. The link element goes inside the head section. Let us start with an HTML page in which we will use cascading style sheet. We have defined some basic tags of headings H1, H2 and paragraphs P in the body of the HTML. We have defined some basic tags of headings H1, H2 and paragraphs P in the body of HTML, which you can see on the screen. Now we will see how to use CSS to make some styles, like the heading H1 should be of font size 20 and centered. Heading H2 should be 18 point size and in red color. We want our paragraph to be justified. And above all, we want to have background of our web page to be blue. To specify all of these, we need to use CSS style sheets. The page style can be specified in three different ways. We open our HTML template file and make changes in it. Okay, we give the title of our web page adding internal CSS. The first method is to specify our style with a page using style tag. Let us do it. The style tag should appear in the head section. To specify the background of our web page, we write background color blue inside the body. This means the body part of our web page should have blue color and style should be applied to the whole body part of the document. The next line gives name of the property, in our case background color and a colon followed by property value. Save the page and open it in browser. You can see the effect of style. You can see the effect of background color which turned into blue. We make some more changes in our page. We specify the properties for heading H1 using CSS. We define the heading H1, brackets. We specify font size, which is 20, and we specify the text alignment, which is centered, and we close the bracket. Save the page and open it in browser. You can see the effect of heading H1 using CSS. We make some more changes in our page. We specify the properties for heading H2 using CSS. We define the heading H2, the brackets, and we specify the font size, which is 18. We give the color, which is red in this case, and we define the text alignment, which is left. Save the page and open it in browser. You can see the effects of heading H2 using CSS. And lastly, we change the style of paragraph tag. We open the HTML template. We define the paragraph tag and we give the text alignment, which is justified in this case. Justify stretches the line so that each line has equal width, like in magazines. We save the document and open it in the browser and see how it looks. Notice the headings and the text is displayed as we specified. This is time for you to do some practice now. Thank you for watching this video.